Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system. Come take a test drive today.